Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So today in this particular video I am going to discuss how to write a talent or how to create a talent job to check whether a particular string is palindrome or not. Okay, so this one we are going to do using Java routines. Okay, so here you can see that I am having some data. Okay, madam 1 2 3 3 2 1, these all are palindrome, and let me give one more which is not palindrome. Okay, so here we'll be saving this, we'll be going to desktop. Okay, I am storing this as CSV files and save this. Now I am going to talent. Here I am going to standard, click on this, create standard job. Here I can give palindrome check. Okay, just finish, and here our job will be loaded, and in palette section different components will come which we can use according to our requirement. Okay, so it will be taking some time. Now it is showing not responding. Let's wait for that. Let it enable. So it is coming. So first component is T file input delimited I am taking, and here T log row I am taking. Okay, this connection done. Go to edit schema, create one new column which is string data type. Okay, I want to propagate changes. Header is 1, field separator, although there are no different columns present, but still I am giving as comma, good practice. Okay, now selecting this, and here going to desktop, and here the CSV file I am choosing. Let's run that and check whether we are getting the records or not. So yeah, it's coming. Okay, right. So actually here header is not present, so I need to make this header part 0, then only the complete data will come. Right, now we are going to create one routine. Okay, so here I am going to code, and in code I am clicking on routine, create routine. Pally name I am giving. I will be modifying this code. Okay, so public static, here what will be the return type? Return type will be boolean. Okay, right. So I guess in Java we have to write the complete one. Okay, so return type is boolean. Now I am removing this particular piece of code, and here I will be taking the string data. Right, so here what I will be doing, I will be creating one empty string, string check equal to one empty string, then for, okay, first let calculate the length, int p equal to message dot length. Okay, right. So here you can see the hint also you are getting. Right, yeah, it's done. Now here we'll be iterating in our original string from the back side for int I equal to p minus 1. Okay, so from length minus 1 we have to start, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, each time we'll be appending the data in our check. So check equal to message plus check equal to check plus message dot char at I. Okay, I hope you can understand what I am doing. From the backside I am iterating. If message equal to check, that time those are basically our palindrome. Okay, That's all. Okay, actually in Java we have to give dot equals check to match or compare the content of these objects. Okay, sounds good. Save this. Once it is saved, here what I can do, I have to remove this main connection. Okay, just click on this, delete tmap component I am taking. If you want you can take tjavado also, no issue in that. Double click on tmap. This is new column. Here we will be basically comparing. Okay, so here my return type will be basically boolean. Here also boolean. Here we can click on this particular box, one new pop-up will open. Maximize this. So here we need to pass via our function which we have created here, user defined, you can see, and all this you are getting. Okay, right? So what is our this one, what we have created? We have created actually, what is this name? I forgot. Let me just check once. Routine name is Pali. Okay, instead of hello example, let me give something justifiable name, Palindroma. Save this. So once it is saved, I am going to tmap, click here, make this bigger, user defined function I want to check. See, Palindroma is coming. So just pali.palindroma, here we need to pass this particular parameter, just drag and drop. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Click on OK. Now here we need to put this variable to here. So we are mapping. Click on OK. Hope will not be getting any error. In tlogger we have to sync columns, and then or one more thing we can do to show this in a better way, we need to map this also. Okay, sorry, not this way, we have to actually not this way. Okay, so here actually what we can do, just drag this and drop this here, but it is dropping in the same location. Okay, right, so what I can do, I can remove this and click on OK. I can just remove this particular connection. Now drag and drop this here, and this one we will be taking to next component. Okay, yes, that's what I wanted. Okay, column names, this is original string, and this one is our palindrome or not. Okay, apply. Okay, yes, clear this, run this. Okay, so what we should get, madam true we should get, this one true we should get, this one true we should get, for this one false we should get. Let's check. Let's hope that will not be getting any error. So basically this is how you can, if you want, you can use the complex logics, okay, in your talent job. So previously I have shown using tjavado. Now this time I am showing using our tmap, because tmap is a very powerful component. So I wanted to show you just that in user defined section you can get all the routines which you have created, and see, madam true, this one true, this one true, and sir is false. Okay, so perfectly working. So again I am repeating what logic I have applied here. The logic is quite simple. First calculating the length, then from the last index of the string, which is string length -1 to 0th index, I am iterating keep on reducing the index value I minus minus, appending the character at that particular ith index in this particular string which we have created here. Then we are checking using dot equals method. If equal, that means from the back side if we are going, and from the front side we are basically getting same number, that means parendum, so returning true, else returning false. Simple talend complex routine. Okay, this particular logic if you want to use directly without using routine, then you might face difficulty, okay, in writing the program in the Java Flex or somewhere else. Rather than that, use this routine. And this is just one demo. Like previously I have shown how to create routine for computing median and mode. Similarly here you can use this routine to compute palindrome, and just there like this millions of codes, user defined codes you can create and use in your project, right? So I hope you enjoyed this particular routine concept is clear to you. This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.